Clip this out of the way. Take my foil. Fold it underneath, is what you said. Take it there. Got tension.
Good. Good tension with that right hand, that left hand.
Mid shaft.
Mm-hmm.
Was a big blob.
You're okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Make sure I have that all the way through, so I still have my tension. And this won't go like yucky color because it's more feathered. Does that ever happen?
Well, people take big slices, or which I call whompers, and put a wad of hair in the foil. That's you're not making that mistake, darling. You're not. You're doing beautiful work.
And you have to be sure that it's gone all the way through to the other side, right?
To the other side.
Yes. So now I fold this in half.
Uh-huh.
Oh, but don't I have to be careful that doesn't go on the virgin hair?
Aha, you're smart. Some people, yes, go up to and leave the virgin hair uncovered.